Obviously there was a bloodbath in crypto, and if you guys open up your portfolio yesterday, you may just be on the edge here, guys. You're probably at the edge of your seat wondering what's going to happen. Well, I'm here to tell you that this was all coordinated. It was market manipulation, and there are things right now that you should be doing to set yourself up for success during this dip. Listen, the fear and greed index has been like at 27 or 37 or something like that, and guys, this is the time that you want to accumulate. Buy the fear and sell the greed. That is how you make money in this crypto space. A lot of leverage traders got absolutely wrecked, and we're going to take a deep dive into the world of crypto today. I'm going to tell you guys what moves I've been making, because honestly, I'm not panicking. I'm not stressing at all. I had a bunch of stable coins prepared for this. So listen, guys, if you are new around here, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day. I try to help you guys find the next 10, 20, 50, or even 100x gem. And honestly, this move that we're seeing in the market right now is a opportunity that you don't want to miss. With that being said, let's get right into today's video. Now, coin market cap, the first thing that I want to show you guys is we're at 35 fear over here. And if we go over to alternative.me, you can see we're at 27 fear, borderline extreme fear levels, guys. Okay, this is borderline extreme fear levels. And just yesterday, we were at 64 greed. Last week, 71 greed. This is beautiful. I don't know about you guys, but I love seeing this, okay? I absolutely love seeing this. You can see here, crypto overall market cap. We have lost about $350 billion, guys, within the last 24 hours. This is good. I don't know about you guys, but you need to change your focus. You need to look at things in a different light. You need to be like, okay, market is down. First of all, understand why is it down, and then after that, understand what should you be doing to set yourself up for a month from now, 2 months from now, a year from now. Stop thinking with such a narrow or a short-term mindset, guys, okay? Don't think about where the market's going to be tomorrow or in the next couple weeks. That is what got people wrecked. The leverage traders are the ones who got wrecked, okay? And there's only a few group of leverage traders, the ones who, let's say, only have $2,000 to invest, and they're like, oh, if I buy $2,000 worth of Ethereum or Bitcoin, I'm not going to do anything with my money. But if I leverage trade $2,000 worth of Bitcoin and bet on the price of going up, then I'll make a lot of money with the percentage. See, guys, those are the people that are getting wrecked. It's people who are too emotionally invested into this market. And then you have another group of people who are like, okay, I made a smack ton of money buying Bitcoin at the lows. I'm sitting on $2 million, $3 million. Let me just throw all of this into leverage trading and try to increase my money. Those are the other group of people who are getting wrecked. The people who really don't have another income outside of leverage trading, guys, who are too emotionally attached to these markets. Those are the people that are getting wrecked. Whereas people like us who are sitting on spot, right? We're sitting on spot trading. We're sitting on spot coins. Guys, we're fine, okay? Yes, your pockets might be down right now, but it's not over. You're not getting liquidated. So just hold the line. And if anything, dollar cost average in, buy more in, lower your dollar cost average, lower the average book value of the cryptos that you hold. To be completely transparent with you guys, I dropped 30K into Ethereum at 10K at 3,700 and 20K at 3,800 because I know where Ethereum is going. That may not sound like a lot to some of you, but hey, like just a 10% gain or a 30% gain is going to be a substantial amount of money. Now, your net worth, your network is your net worth, okay? The internet is currently the best networking tool in existence. If you're not in the right circles, if you're in the right circles, you made hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars this year. And again, guys, there's people in the Discord who have made upwards of 6 figures over just by being in the Discord. So check it out. Link is in the description. Now let's see what actually happened. Bitcoin plummets to $102,000 on Binance as Trump announces 100% tariffs on China. US President Trump announced 100% tariff on China on Friday, sending the price of Bitcoin reeling below 110K at the time of writing. Trump said the tariffs were in response to China attempting to place export restrictions on rare earth minerals, which are crucial for creating computer chips. Trump wrote on Truth Social, "It has just been learned that China has taken an extraordinarily aggressive position on trade in sending an extremely hostile letter to the world, stating that they were going to, effective November 1st, 2025, impose a large-scale export controls on virtually every product they make." Right? You can see here, boom, based on the fact that China has taken this unprecedented position and speaking only for the USA and not for other nations who were similarly threatened, starting November 1st, 2025 or sooner, the US will impose a tariff of 100% on China and over and above any tariff that they are currently paying. Also on November 1st, we will impose export controls on any and all critical software. It is impossible to believe that China would have taken such an action, but they have, and the rest is history. Thank you for your attention to this matter, Donald J. Trump. What an absolute beast. Like, this guy's like, okay, China, you want to do that? Well, two could play that game. And honestly, guys, I would not fear about this because I feel like this is just a conversation that's waiting to be had. This wasn't just volatility, it was a well-planned, coordinated dump. $1 million shorts opened hours before. Treasury calls for market stability. Trump announces 100% tariffs after market close. Alts were nuked 60 to 70% in minutes. They created panic. They got their filled. They got their fills. And when the dust settles, everything is going to go back up again. Okay, I wouldn't be surprised to see a V-shaped reversal straight into a parabolic rally. Trump confirms that he hasn't canceled his meeting with Xi, and things might change. So again, guys, he is going to be meeting with the president of China. And again, they're just going to get on a call and be, oh, this is just a misunderstanding. Everything is fine. Bull market, bull season, back on, okay? And that's literally what's going to happen. Just in, you can see here, guys, over $250 billion were wiped out of the crypto market yesterday because of the tariffs that were imposed. And a lot of people, a lot of rich people made a lot of money. I don't know how you guys feel about it. Obviously, guys, it is unfortunate. But the good thing that you guys should be looking at is that there were huge inflows into ETFs. Right, huge Bitcoin ETFs saw an inflow of over $2.7 billion this week, and ETH ETF still saw an inflow of 488 million. So regardless of the cryptos, the leverage trading, people getting wrecked, there's still an inflow of funds into ETFs, which, hey, traditional finance, even though they're old and they see slow price action, they still know to hit that buy button when things get hard. Rare earth elements are essential for semiconductor production, but threatening to tighten access to critical materials. China strains a global hardware pipeline, including for AI, high performance computing, and crypto mining infrastructure. Okay, so that is part of the reason as to why this is obviously such a big deal. Now, guys, like I was saying here, okay, if you were in the right circles and you bought when people told you to buy, you would have been up hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars, which is why I want to emphasize being a part of a community. This is my private Discord where you get access to all of my buy and sell calls. And again, guys, I'm very transparent. I just told you guys, I bought over $30,000 in Ethereum at these lows here because I know where Ethereum is going to go. And I'm already sitting on a huge amount of Ethereum as it is. And I just added 30K to my portfolio. Listen, if you guys want to know how to follow along, what plays I make in the markets, and try to fast track your success or fast track your gains, join the Memecoin Mastery. Past profits don't guarantee future results, but your network is your net worth. I strongly stand by that. There's a lot of people in there who are crushing it, guys, and are making 20K a month, 25K in 2 months, turning $100 accounts into over $10,000. It's possible. Everything is possible, guys. Just give it time and surround yourself with the right people, and you could do it as well. With that being said, family, I will see you guys in the next video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching today's video. If you got anything out of it, smash the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, family. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, and peace out, y'all.